Hey, Simple Homesteading family, Brian here. Just doing a quick video update. We haven't posted anything for a while because we've been camping and we're out on vacation for a couple of weeks. After about a week of really good weather and a lot of hiking, we've been kind of chased back inside because of the weather. It's been raining quite a bit today, and so we've decided to make a meal in the camper rather than grilling out. And what we've done is we've taken about a pound of hamburger, fried it up with some onions. Then we took our macaroni and cheese meal in a jar and we went ahead and put that on the stove. We put 2 jars of water to the 1 container, and we've basically boiled it down for about 12 minutes or so, maybe a little longer than that. Got it good and dissolved, put the meat in, kind of made our own little hamburger helper. But just wanted to give you a chance to take a look at it here, and then we'll get back and we'll let you know what it tastes like. There it is, looking all nice and reduced, and all the noodles are cooked through. We're just waiting for our green beans to heat up, and then we'll get this all plated and eat it. But we'll get back to you and let you know what it tasted like. Again, nice indoor meal, kind of a little bit of a variation, our own hamburger helper, and really glad we have this on hand. Okay, the verdict? Very good. We didn't add any salt or pepper on this. Tasted really good. Again, we've kind of made our own cheeseburger kind of hamburger aided meal. This would have been good all by itself. We ended up cooking this all down for about 15 minutes. You're going to want to just cook it till it reduces, and then you're going to want it till it reduces down to your liking. Is it going to be your mom's, your grandma's macaroni and cheese? No. It's a meal in a jar, but it fit in perfect, went camping with us, and it did the job. So give it a try. Hope you like it.